Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use Instagram Reels Editor. Instagram's built-in Reels Editor makes it easy to create high-quality videos in this video I'll show you how to use the Instagram Reels Editor like a pro. Let's follow these few simple steps. The first step is to open the Reels Editor, and to do that, just open Instagram and tap on the plus icon. As you can see, the plus icon in my case is displayed on the left side because I'm using a tablet and the layout is a bit different. But if you're using a mobile version, the plus icon will be displayed in the bottom. I'm just gonna click on the plus icon and then I'm gonna click on Reels. Let's switch to Reels. Click on the plus icon and then click on Reels. Yes, this is the one. And after that, we're gonna tap on record. Let's see here. You can choose from your gallery, or you can record by tapping on to record to start shooting. Now I recorded this video. Now after recording, tap on a clip to trim it, drag the edges to adjust the duration, and use the split tools to cut long clips into sections. You can also add music or add video effects. As you can see here, you can add multiple effects, browse through them. You can also add music. Now for the third step is to add music and audio, and to do that just tap on the music icon and add a song from Instagram's library. You can also use an original audio from your video. As for the fourth step is to add text and stickers, and to do that just tap on the double A. Let's see, where's the double A? Apparently it's not displayed. It must be an error, but it will be a double A to add text and adjust the size and color and position, and also use stickers and GIFs and emojis to make your reel more interactive. As for the fifth step is to apply the effects and filters, which I already did, and the sixth step is to post your reel. Now, once you finish editing your reel, tap on next and write a caption and hashtags. Click on next again. You can edit the caption here and add the text here, as you can see. You can write wherever you want and click all again on next and tap on share to share your reel, and your reel is live. And that's it for today's tutorial. Now you know how to use Instagram Reels editor. Follow these steps to create professional looking video directly in the app. If you like this video and found it helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next tutorial.